A very happy day. Welcome back to my channel Tarot Vibes, and I am Pooja Jain. So today we are bringing an annual reading for year 2022. So how is year 2022 going to be? And we will see three aspects in each sunshine. So we'll go sunshine wise. So sunshine, when I say, you can go according to your birth date. You can just Google and see your sunshine. So particular birth date would have a particular sunshine, and we will read love, business, and in general. So we will go in this pattern. So we'll start with love, business, and general. So each sunshine I'll be telling you all these three. So stay tuned, or you can scroll down to your upcoming sunshines. Okay. So now we'll start with the first sunshine, Aries. Okay. So for Aries, love, business, and general. Okay, love has a good card which says a new relationship is going to come, or something new is going to begin in your own relationship. So upcoming year brings something new in your relationship. So if you're already in a relationship, married, then might be a new baby is coming up, or if you're single, then new relationship is coming up. You're already in relationship, then something new in that relationship would come up. So if you're in love, that means you might move ahead to marriage, so or to commitment. So that's coming up in your relationship. Next is something new coming in your business. Okay, in your business, don't postpone things or don't delay things. So as you keep postponing or delaying things or taking things for granted or shifting your decision to making it later, that's not going to help you. So in business, when it comes to decision making, you know how to take decisions, but do not delay them. So in career or in business, you can always make decisions right then and there. Okay, so next, the last card is general. In general, your year is going to be little stressful, and you need to take care of your worries or whatever stress is going to come up. So certain things are going to happen and things are not in our control. Stop worrying about them, so stop stressing about them, and think what you would do otherwise. So this is your upcoming year in the area of love, business, and general. So your love life is going to go really beautiful in upcoming year. Business wise, do not delay your decisions. In general, stop stressing or stop worrying, and do those things which makes you happy, or do those things where you can solve the problem or solve the stress whatever is coming up. So this is for Aries. So next we are going to Taurus. So people from sunshine Taurus, here we go. So for Taurus, year 2022 is going to be in love, in business, and in general. Okay, so in love, it's gonna be a little stressful. It's gonna be a little dark or kind of negative energy, I can say. So you need to concentrate on what you need from your relationship. Are you getting what you want, or is the relationship a burden to you and you're just continuing because you have no other choice? So if you're in love, or if you're into a relationship which is forcing you to stay back, or which is forcing you to worry so much and still continue, then is it worth it or no? Just you have to think, because the next year relationship is going to be a lot of stress. And in business or in career, it's going to be really nice. Whatever you do, whatever work you do, you'll be praised. Whatever you do is going to come in your favor. So all those decisions which are made this year or you're going to make in upcoming year are going to bring you success, as well as are going to give you all sort of things or financial benefits in upcoming year. Business wise, a good card. And in general, you have lots of hard work to do. Organize your work, think what you have to do, how much you have to do. Do not overwork, but work as much as possible and do things in an organized way instead of messing them all up, because eventually this upcoming year is going to be a hard working year for you. So work hard, but do not overwork. Work smart, and that's going to help you more, because how much ever you work, the result is going to be in your code. So as much as you sow, so much you reap. That's what I can tell for Taurus. So for Taurus, in love life, there is a stressful love life coming up in upcoming year. Things wouldn't turn the way you thought. In business, everything is gonna be the way you thought about it or the way you wanted it. In general, there is lots of hard work seen in upcoming year, so I would suggest you to do your work, be good, true to your hard work, and you will receive what you have sown. So that's for Taurus. Let's start with the next card, Gemini. For Gemini, the card is popping out by itself, though that's Three of Swords. Okay, so we'll start with Gemini. For Gemini year 2022, love life, business, and in general. Okay, in love life, somewhere a depression is seen, or somewhere a symptom is seen where you're withdrawing from a relationship, or in relationship there's no happiness, there's no satisfaction, you just want some space in the relationship. So upcoming year, I'd advise you to take a break, take a short break, or ask the other person to give you some space. Think about your relationship. Do you want it or you don't? Because the card says yes, you want it, but right now all you need is just peace of mind. So take your time, get your peace of mind back. Do what you want to do. Meditate over the problems, or meditate with whatever is in your mind. You will get your answers. So in love life, I would suggest you to take a short break, or give the other partner space, or take yourself some space. In business, if some legal issues are going on, that's going to be in your court, so you don't need to worry, things will be sorting out. Otherwise, in business or in career, things are going to be really nice. You will be getting that justice which you didn't get all the year, or this year you weren't served with the proper justice, or you weren't done right. So upcoming year, you will be given those things what you were deprived in the last year. You will be given that kind of injustice which you are deserving in the upcoming year. In general, it's a very beautiful year, emotionally very strong. Please do not tend to go back to your past, or think about your past randomly, or in general, or all the time. So you should stop thinking about your past, and you should always remember present is gonna be good, future is going to be good, present is going good. Or if your present is not good, how would you make it better in the future? But instead of thinking of past, I suggest you to please think about your future, because thinking of past and being happy in the past makes no sense. That's only ruining your present and future. So please stop going back to your past and think about your future. So this is what is for Gemini. So for Gemini, relationship wise, you need to take your space and think or meditate over the issue. In business, things are going to be in your court, and in general, please do not tend to go back to your past. Live in the present, think of your present and future, and plan likewise. So that's for Gemini. Next, we are going to Cancer. So people with the sunshine Cancer, we'll go with 3 cards for love, business, and in general. Okay, so for Cancer, love life is seen different. So whatever the love life is shown to you, or what you're seeing, is different from what actually is in store within it. So be aware, be careful whom you're trusting, how you're moving ahead. Double check about the person, do check the backgrounds, and then go ahead, because there's something which is seen, it is beautiful, but behind the mask there is something else. So please don't trust easily, recheck and check, and then go ahead. Excuse. So that's for Cancer in love life. In business, something new is coming up, something beautiful is going to grow. So in career or in business, in career, things are going to progress. You would grow in your career right now. It's a phase of coming year is a phase for you to grow leaps and bounds. In business, if you have your own business, then there is lots of prosperity, growth, and profit seen. And in general, a celebration is coming up. If you aren't married, my marriage is on your card. And if you're married and a family person, then for sure some celebration is coming up in the upcoming year. Might be some function at home, some some occasion you celebrate, so there is a celebration on the card. So overall for Gemini, love life, please be aware that the person whom you're with is worth it or is being true to you. In career or business, there's lots of growth and prosperity coming in. In general, there is celebration, there is happiness, and there is something new or something good going to come in your life. So that's all for Cancer. So that's for Cancer, love, business, and general reading for 2022. Next, we are going to go for Leo. So, Leo, okay. For Leo, love, business, and general. Okay. So, Sunshine Leo for love life. Your partner is, a kind of a dominating person. The male partner, the male in the relationship is dominating. So if you're the male listening, you're quite dominating in this relationship, but you have, the person, the male in the relationship have very clear idea about what they want from the relationship, how they want to lead. So if you're the female in the relationship, then please listen to your partner, how he says or what he says. Might be that's quite beneficial, as well as when he has a very clear picture, then do not doubt his intentions. And there is a travel coming up for both of you. So the love card, or if you're married, you might have a couple trip coming up. If you're single, still you have a trip coming up. So if you have issues in your relationship, might be it's time to take a short trip and sort it out. So might be traveling might change something between both of you. So that's for relationship. And when it comes to business, so in business things are going really good and you know how to lead, but somewhere you get very emotional. So when it comes to your career or business, do not take emotional decisions, because that's a place you need to be practical, not emotional. So do not take emotional decisions, take practical decisions, because the card shows you're emotionally dominated person. So stop being emotional while making a practical decision, at least in your business and in your career. Not personally, I would suggest yes, emotional decisions are good when in a relationship or family, but when it comes to income or when it comes to materialistic things, please be practical and logical enough to choose. So don't make emotional decisions. That's what is the card telling for your upcoming year. In general, everything is going to be really good. So if you're a female or if you're married, then 100% chances for pregnancy is coming up. So otherwise, loads of prosperity, loads of growth is coming up in your life. Things which you aren't expecting would arrive to you, and very beautiful and prosperous year, I can tell. So growth is seen, that means you need to learn new things to grow up in life. So all the best. So that's for Leo. So Leo's love life and business and general is being set for 2022. Next is for Virgo. So people from the sunshine Virgo. Here we go with your love life, business, and general. Okay, so love life is going to go really good. Listen to the women in the relationship and things will go fine, because she knows where she's taking this relationship ahead to. And as I say, there is also a travel plan for you as a couple. So plan a short trip, plan a trip, and go ahead. And in business, there's a beautiful card which says loads of prosperity and growth is coming up, or something is going to be handed down to you. So if you're in a family business, maybe the business is going to be handed down to you, or something to do with the generations in your home. What is happening is going to come to you now, so you will be the bearer of the torch if it is a business. And if it is in a career, then yes, prosperity and progress is coming up. There is a chance of you moving up the hierarchy, or you getting a promotion, or appraisal and things like that in your business. Beautiful card for business though. I mean business and career. And in general, stop listening to people, stop listening to what they have to tell you all the time. because somewhere when people talk, even a single sentence, you're really bothered, that bothers you a lot. So I'd suggest you not to listen to people, listen to your own self, do what you feel like doing instead of listening to people and then doing something else which is not going to make any good for you. So this was for Sunshine Virgo. So for Virgo, in relationship, things are really gonna go smooth. Listen to the lady in the relationship. In business or career, things are going to move ahead. There is progress in prosperity seen. And in general, do not listen to people around you. Do not take their advice for when not needed. When people would randomly put things up in your mind, do not listen to them. So that's for Virgo. Next is for Libra. So Libra, here we go for 2022. Love life, business or career, and general. So in love life for Libra, we have we can say a little immature at making decisions, or right now is not the time to move into commitments. Think twice before you go ahead, because you're at a place or age where making decisions would not, be in your favor. So if you're single, think twice before making decisions. If you're already married or a couple, then do not make any new decisions for time being, because that's not going to be fruitful to you. So that's in relationship. In career, so in career, lots of prosperity seen from the family side. So financially, in career or business, family would help you. Yeah, there is family support seen. So whatever the family advises, please go ahead with it and do as you're told to do. So things will, turn good with their advices. So if you're in family business, please take your family support. And if you're into career, listen to your family, what they have to say. Might be they have a point to make. And in general, do not be in urgency to make decisions. So the more in hurry you make the decision, the more worse it goes. So you would regret it later. So do not take decision in haste. Just think of it twice and then make a decision. So if you have to take a decision today, then give yourself a time of half day, 1 day, and then make the decision after thinking over it. Do not just be like, yes, I'm doing it. The moment somebody says something, do not be like yes and jump around. Think twice before taking the decisions. That's it, I can tell for Libra. So Libra people, do not make love decisions, do not take decisions in urgency, and take your family support or help to make decisions. That's going to be helpful for you. So that's for Libra. Next is for Scorpio. For Scorpios, we will start with 2022 for Scorpion in love, business, and Chandra. So in love, the male person is right. Please listen to your the male in the relationship. What he's thinking and planning for you is the best which can happen to your relationship. There is also a travel plan coming up, so you can travel around if you're wishing to with your partner, and things would sort. If you have issues, please travel around with your partner, things would sort. And for business or in career, those people in career, there are high chances of you moving to abroad or settling out of your country for your business or career. And those in business, there is chances of you going to abroad as for a business trip, or to just survey the market or to get a branch done there. But yes, there is an upcoming travel out of country scenario for business and career people. So if you're planning to work abroad, then this is the right year for you. In general, things are going to be really nice. A very happy card is shown, and things will be like what you have wished for or what you have thought of. A very happy card. So you are a person who will be satisfied with whatever you have. You wouldn't expect more, or you wouldn't be greedy. Expecting is good, but you wouldn't be that greedy kind of a person who would be like, I would need more, more, more. No. And things will be like what you thought of. So for Scorpion relationship, let the male think over or take over. In business, you'll be traveling out of country for your business purpose. So for career or business, you'll be settling abroad, I can say. And in general, there's a very happy card, so happiness is around the corner. Think twice and go ahead. So that was for Scorpio 2022. Next is for Sagittarius. So people in Sagittarius, your year 2022 for love life, business and general. Okay, so love life, there's some weight shown and some hard work shown. So there is an effort to be made from your side in the relationship to continue the relationship and go ahead in a happy way. Somewhere you're lacking behind to make that effort. The other person is doing enough much, but you aren't, ready to make that kind of an effort. In business, if you are a female, then you rule the business or your decisions are going to be really helpful. If you're a male, ask suggestions or advice from your female partner or female in your business or at your career place. Might be they would help you or give you that right advice which is going to help you more. In general, a new relationship is coming up, so it might be marriage, it might be a childbirth, it might be a new friend. So a new relationship is coming into your life. So that's all I can tell for Sagittarius. Love life, please do your hard work and do not overdo it, but yes, you need to do your part or play your part in the relationship to keep your relationship safe. In business, take advice from the lady of your life or lady around you whom you know can help you with the advice in your career or business. In relationship, or sorry, in general, a new relationship is coming up which is going to be really helpful and stay like for a lifelong. So this is for Sagittarius. 3 cards for 2020. The next is for Capricorns. So people born with the sunshine Capricorns. Here we go. For Capricorns, love life, business and channel. Okay. So for Capricorns in love life, things are very sorted and it's a relationship is at a state where both of you have taken it for granted. So sometimes there might be things which you need to make decision right now. You are just postponing it for the sake of postponing, telling where would the other person go. Eventually we will be ending up in a good relationship. So stop doing that. Make a decision, go ahead with it. It's high time you make decisions or you act upon the given decision or made decision. Otherwise there might, be problem arising. So take those decisions which you have to make, do the commitments which you have to do, or if there is a marriage coming, do not postpone things in relationship, just do it when you have to do it. In business, okay, in business you need to take advice from the concerned person. So in business or in career, somewhere you're stuck, you don't know how to move or get out of it. So take the advice from the right person, ask your business gurus, ask the person whom you look up to or a person who's been in that situation. So somebody would help you out to or would come down to help you to get out of the situation in which you're stuck. And in general there is a travel coming up, you will have a trip coming up. In general, please listen to the male person in the family. So might be your dad, yourself, or your brother, your husband, whoever the male person in the family. Please take their advice or just tell them what's bothering you. They would give you the right direction in life. So that is for Capricorns. So next is for Aquarius. So Aquarius 2022. Love, business and general. So for Aquarius in love, it's a beautiful card. Your relationship is going to take a good new turn. If you're into love, then it is going to get into commitments. If you're thinking of marriage, yes, next year brings marriage. And yes, it's in your love card, so I can say definitely love, marriage, or the person whom you have in mind. Yes, there is marriage seen. In case of business or career, there is also a travel plan coming up. So you might settle abroad or you might settle out of the country for business or for career. So those who are thinking to move to abroad and for earnings or for career or to get a business or for your job reasons, yes, it's a right year. and yes, you have upcoming travel coming up. in in general your year is gonna need a lot of strength. You have a lot of strength to do things, but don't give up on your hopes. Just have your hope held tight. Things are gonna fall in your place, but might be they take a little larger time than what you think, or a little more time than what you think. But eventually, yes, next year is gonna bring you your life partner. It's gonna bring you a new job abroad, or a new thing out of your country, wherever you're in. And yes, you need to have all the strength to make the decisions, or all the strength to go ahead with whatever decision it is, because card says somewhere you have all the strength to do things, but sometimes you tend to give up quickly. So stop giving up on things, wait for it to happen. So this was for Aquarius 2022. The last sign is Pisces. So Pisceans, here we go for your year 2022. So love life, business, and general. Okay, so in love life, somewhere things wouldn't be the way you expect, or you wouldn't be happy as you thought, because there is lot of over expectations, or lots of things happening which you aren't happy about. So yes, there's always a way out. There is always happiness only if you find. So yes, right now the current situation is very sad, very bad, or very, a negative kind of a situation which you didn't expect. Very depressing it is. But somehow, if you are happy, and if you want to look up and search for happiness, you will find a relationship. You will find a person who's going to keep you happy. You will find your own happiness being there, the place where you left. It's just that you are looking at only one reason and being sad in the relationship, which I would advise you to stop. And in business or in career, there's a growth coming up, there's something new coming up, a new business or a new career opportunity coming up, a progressive ness in your business is seen. So might be you open a new branch, or you get a promotion in your career. So yes, there's lots of positive things coming up in your career in upcoming 2022. In general, okay, in general, there will be a lot of happiness, there is contentment, but somewhere there's no satisfaction. So you're happy with your life, what's happening in your life, you're happy with it, you appreciate it, you like it, but somewhere deep down you're not satisfied with the life you're living. Sometimes there's all the happiness in the world, but somewhere in your mind you're like, no, not this one, not like this, you need something else. So somewhere, I'd suggest you to meditate. Do good meditation in upcoming year, which is going to help you sort things, which is going to make you find what is satisfying you, or what is bringing you peace, because you already have happiness, you're content enough, but somewhere you're missing that peace, or that kind of satisfaction to live your life. So do meditate. That's going to help you. So that was for Pisces 2022. With this, I finish all the sunshine and the reading for upcoming 2022 year. I hope you have a very happy, healthy, and prosperous year coming up, year 2022. I am Pooja Jain. I do tarot card reading as well. So if you want to book an appointment and know your upcoming year, do book your appointments, and we will give you a full year reading. As well as if you want to buy tarot cards, yes, I do sell tarot cards. If you want to learn tarot card reading, yes, I also teach that in 4 different languages. So you can contact me to learn. And at the end of the video, there's a number given. So if you want to buy cards or learn or get a reading done, do contact there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a very happy year and welcome your 2022 with a smile. Happy day.